SEO in 2025. Why old strategies are outdated. Hey everyone, it's Your Name here, and if there's one thing I know for sure, it's that SEO in 2025 is not what it used to be. If you're still relying on outdated strategies, your website might already be invisible. Think about it. Google's AI-driven search, the rise of zero-click searches, and evolving user behavior have completely changed the game. So what does this mean for you? It means we need to adapt. Today we're diving deep into why old SEO strategies no longer work, and more importantly, what you need to do to stay ahead. We're talking about actionable strategies you can implement right now to boost your visibility, drive organic traffic, and dominate the search results. Let's get started. Remember when you could just stuff keywords into your content and magically rank on Google? Yeah, those days are long gone. Google's AI-driven search, with algorithms like RankBrain and BERT, now understands search intent. It's getting smarter, analyzing the meaning and context behind every search query. So if you're still keyword stuffing, you're not just wasting your time, you're actively hurting your rankings. When you stuff keywords into your content, it reads unnaturally. It's a terrible user experience, and Google knows it. Instead of trying to game the system with outdated tactics, focus on creating high-quality, informative content that provides real value to your audience. Use keywords naturally within the context of your writing and focus on answering user questions thoroughly and engagingly. By focusing on creating valuable, user-centric content, you'll not only avoid penalties but also attract more organic traffic and establish your website as an authoritative source in your niche. Don't underestimate the power of high-quality content. It's the foundation of successful SEO in 2025 and beyond. Now, if keyword stuffing is out, what's in? The answer is semantic SEO. This is about understanding the relationships between words, concepts, and search intent. Google wants to see that you're covering a topic comprehensively, not just targeting a single keyword. One of the most effective ways to implement semantic SEO is through topic clusters. Think of a topic cluster as a hub-and-spoke model. You have your core topic, which is your main keyword or theme. Then you create content around related subtopics, linking them back to your core page. For example, let's say your core topic is SEO. Your subtopics could be on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, SEO tools, and so on. By creating high-quality content around each of these subtopics and linking them back to your main SEO page, you're demonstrating to Google that you have in-depth knowledge and authority on the subject. Use conversational language, vary your sentence structure, and incorporate synonyms and related terms naturally throughout your content. By understanding what your audience is looking for and providing them with valuable, informative, and engaging content that answers their questions, you'll naturally optimize your website for semantic SEO and attract more organic traffic. Let's talk about backlinks. For years, the SEO world was obsessed with quantity over quality. People would buy thousands of backlinks from shady websites, thinking it was a shortcut to ranking higher. But guess what? Google caught on. With updates like Penguin and manual penalties, Google cracked down on link spam. Today, having thousands of low-quality backlinks can actually hurt your website more than it helps. A few high-authority backlinks from relevant, trustworthy websites are worth more than thousands of spammy links from irrelevant sources. So, how do you build high-quality backlinks in 2025? It's all about providing real value and building genuine relationships. Focus on creating thought leadership content that positions you as an expert in your niche. Reach out to other websites and publications in your industry and offer to write guest posts. Remember, building high-quality backlinks takes time and effort. It's not a quick fix, but it's an essential part of a sustainable, long-term SEO strategy. Chapter 4. Engagement trumps clicks. Here's the thing about SEO in 2025. It's not just about getting clicks anymore. It's about keeping users engaged. You could rank #1 for your target keyword, but if people are bouncing off your website after a few seconds, Google takes notice. Google wants to provide the best possible experience for its users. If people are clicking on your website and then immediately hitting the back button, it's a clear signal that your content isn't relevant, engaging, or valuable. So, how do you optimize for engagement? It starts with understanding user experience. Your website needs to be fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Your content needs to be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Use images, videos, infographics, and other multimedia elements to break up your text and keep users interested. Remember, the longer you can keep users engaged with your content, the more likely they are to convert into customers. Plus, Google will reward you with higher rankings for providing a positive user experience. Chapter 5: AI and Machine Learning, the Future of Search. We're living in an age of artificial intelligence, and SEO is no exception. Google's AI algorithms like RankBrain and more recently Gemini are constantly evolving, learning from user behavior and shaping the search results. This means your SEO strategy needs to be dynamic and adaptable. Google's AI is getting better at understanding search intent, context, and even user history. This means your content needs to be more conversational, personalized, and tailored to specific user needs. Another important aspect of AI-driven search is the rise of voice search. With smart speakers and virtual assistants becoming increasingly popular, more and more people are using voice commands to search the internet. Chapter 6: Zero-click searches, the rise of featured snippets. Have you ever noticed how many searches now result in a direct answer on Google without even having to click on a website? These are called zero-click searches, and they're becoming increasingly common. In fact, studies show that over 50% of searches now result in 0 clicks. This is partly due to the rise of featured snippets, which are concise summaries of information that appear at the top of the search results page. Google's AI algorithms are getting so good at understanding search intent that they can often provide a direct answer to a user's query without them having to leave the search results page. So, what does this mean for your SEO strategy? It means you need to optimize for featured snippets. This involves structuring your content in a way that makes it easy for Google to extract and display the most relevant information. Another important aspect of optimizing for zero-click searches is using structured data. Chapter 7: As we move further into the age of AI, voice search and conversational AI are becoming increasingly important for SEO. With the rise of smart speakers, virtual assistants, and other voice-activated devices, more and more people are using their voices to search for information online. This means that your SEO strategy needs to adapt to the way people speak naturally. People don't speak in keywords, they speak in full sentences and questions. So instead of optimizing your content for short-tail keywords, focus on long-tail keywords and conversational phrases that people are more likely to use when speaking to their devices. Another important aspect of optimizing for voice search is to make sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. In addition to optimizing for voice search, you should also start thinking about how you can leverage conversational AI for SEO. By incorporating conversational AI into your website, you can provide users with a more personalized and engaging experience, answer their questions in real time, and even guide them through the sales funnel. As voice search and conversational AI continue to evolve, they will play an increasingly important role in SEO. Chapter 8: Building a future-proof SEO strategy. The SEO landscape is constantly evolving, and it can be tough to keep up with all the changes. However, there are some key principles that will always be important for SEO success, regardless of what the future holds. First and foremost, you need to focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience. This means understanding your audience, their pain points, and what they're searching for online. Once you understand your audience, you can create content that provides them with the information they need, answers their questions, and helps them solve their problems. In addition to creating great content, you also need to make sure your website is technically sound. This means having a mobile-friendly design, fast loading times, and a secure connection. Finally, you need to be willing to adapt and evolve your SEO strategy over time. Chapter 9: Measuring your SEO success. One of the most important aspects of SEO is tracking your progress and measuring your success. If you don't know what's working and what's not, you won't be able to improve your strategy and get better results. Fortunately, there are a number of tools and metrics that you can use to track your SEO progress. One of the most important tools is Google Search Console, which provides you with valuable data about your website's performance in the search results. With Google Search Console, you can see which keywords people are using to find your website, how many clicks you're getting from the search results, and what your average ranking position is for different keywords. You can also use Google Search Console to identify any technical issues that might be affecting your website's ranking, such as crawl errors or broken links. In addition to Google Search Console, there are a number of other tools that you can use to track your SEO progress, such as Google Analytics, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. These tools can provide you with even more detailed data about your website's traffic, backlinks, and overall SEO health. By tracking these and other relevant metrics, you can get a clear picture of your SEO progress and make necessary adjustments to your strategy to improve your results over time. Chapter 10: The Future of SEO. As we look to the future of SEO, it's clear that the industry is going to continue to evolve at a rapid pace. New technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and voice search, are already having a major impact on how people search for information online. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see even more significant changes to the SEO landscape in the years to come. However, one thing that will remain constant is the importance of providing a great user experience. Google and other search engines are constantly working to improve the search experience for their users, and they are rewarding websites that provide relevant, informative, and engaging content. In the future, we can expect to see even more emphasis on user experience signals, such as page speed, mobile friendliness, and dwell time. By staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices, and by focusing on providing a great user experience, businesses can position themselves for success in the ever-evolving world of SEO. You would dominate SEO in 2025 and beyond, so there you have it. The SEO landscape is evolving fast. If you're stuck using outdated techniques, you're falling behind. Instead, adapt to AI-driven search, optimize for engagement, and focus on value-driven content. Want more expert SEO insights? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest strategies. I'm constantly sharing new tips and tricks to help you stay ahead of the game. Drop a comment below. What SEO challenge are you facing right now? I'd love to hear from you and provide some personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.